Hi. Uh, this is very important part. Building your predictable lead engines, which means that you need a system, you need an engine that will give you the leads. So the question is how to get the leads, how you can get the leads. The first thing is you can make your website a source of your leads. By how? By having a good SEO strategy for your website so that people can find your website, people can find your content, people can find your blog, your service information on the internet when they search for something. So, when they search for something means when they use some keywords and they can find you. Okay. So, this is very important that you need to understand what are the keywords that people are using to find your services. Secondly, people have different intentions to use different keywords. Sometimes it is informational, which means that they are seeking some information. So you need to have a system on or a blog where you give a lot of information that people need, people are looking for. Okay. And write on those topics, put them on your blog, and on your blog page, do the SEO title, meta description, keywords focused, and make sure that your focus keywords are following all the rules and regulations of SEO. You can use a lot of tools for your SEO, like the rank math. If you're using the WordPress, you can use the rank math to do the SEO. So when you are writing the content, make sure that each piece of your content is centered around the keywords that people are using on the internet. The first step of the SEO is the keyword analysis. You need to do a proper keyword analysis that people are using. So once you know those keywords, once you have those keywords and you like, if you see this, before you do anything, you must do some keywords research. You do the keyword research and see that which keywords are most popular and their search volume, and build your content around your website according to those keywords. Okay. So once you do, that's the first step of the SEO. Second step is you do the technical SEO, the local SEO, and a lot of things that will come in handy when you do the SEO. You can hire a company that will do the SEO, but this is for your awareness that you need, if you need leads, you must do the SEO. Otherwise, you will not get the leads. And when they come to your website, you do the good SEO and to come to their website, you need to put some contact form, you need to put some pop-up form on your website so that they fill up, maybe a lead magnet, but before they want to have the lead magnet, they will fill up the form, and that form will put those leads into your CRM. You need to have that system in place. Okay. So let's get back to the build predictable lead engines. The first thing is the SEO must be done. Second thing is you must have the lead magnet onto your website. I have decided about I have discussed about the lead magnets in my previous sessions. You can introduce the referral system, like bring one friend and you both get a discount. So this is how, when someone comes to your website or when someone becomes your customer, they can bring their friends and family to you. Okay. um Cold emailing. So in the next chapter, I will be definitely showing you the detail about the cold email, but cold email works. Let me tell you this. Cold email works. So you need to write a series of emails with A/B testing of the subject line and send text based, no HTML design email from the system that will help you to reach out to your customers inbox. Now you can ask me where I will get those leads. There is a system that I will recommend you in the next session that will allow you to find out the leads in your niche, okay, in your ICP, and let you send them the email, and you will receive the reply from them. So you have to write the content in a way that they will reply, and when they reply manually, it means that they're interested. So you can put those leads into your CRM system. From there you can put them into your nurturing email automation, and you can have a sales team that will call them that, hey, you just showed your interest, what can I do for you, some sort of that. So the first degree of communication is very important. So, and definitely you'll do the targeted ads. Let me tell you this, many people believe that ads do not work. I tell you this, ads work if you can do the proper ads. There are some strategy that will give you more reach out to the people with less budget. So I'm going to discuss that targeted ad strategy with you, also with Google ads, with the Facebook ads, how you can do that, how you can target the people and everything. Okay. So see you in the next session. Thank you very much.